Hey, Rob here for Quadratec.com. Today we're checking out the Mopar Tubular Style Side Step, available for the 2018 and newer Jeep Wrangler JL. Now, whether your Wrangler came from the factory with the production style plastic side step or no side step at all, adding the aluminum tubular style side step to your Wrangler is a great upgrade you can make that will not only make getting in and out of your Wrangler easier for you and your passengers, but because they extend all the way from the front to the rear fender flare and out a few inches past the body of your Jeep, well, they could help protect the body of your Wrangler from any of those menacing shopping carts on your next grocery trip. Now, they are available in two different finishes. We have here the satin black textured powder coat. There's also a chromed version available as well. Both feature black plastic end caps as well as black plastic step pads that feature a honeycomb textured pattern and even a nice little Willys icon here as a nod to Jeep's past. Because these are Mopar factory accessories, well, they've been designed to be installed on your Wrangler easily without any drilling or modification required by simply bolting in a few locations down the pinch weld with a few more bolts underneath into the body. Of course, all the holes and nutserts are already in place and all the new hardware that's required is included with the tubular side steps. If you guys want to get more information or purchase a set of the Mopar tubular style side steps for your 2018 or newer Jeep Wrangler JL, you can click on that info button to head over to Quadratec.com. Of course, if you have any comments or questions, you can leave those below or contact us directly at any of the options on the screen. And you want to make sure you hit that subscribe button so you're sure to catch all of our latest 2018 and newer Jeep Wrangler JL product reviews. Till next time, I'm Rob. I'll see you guys out on the trail.